that how you wash? Is that how you wash the bra?
And even my bra is wet. So thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Nagbaha na po dito. Yay!
Is that how you wash?
And what is this? Sock from maybe 6 years ago or 7 years ago. Grandma, gilaba ko na t-shirt mo! Grandma! Ay hindi, nalaba ko na. Change I spent on you. What? Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made? Happy ever after. I'm washing my foot. What? Washing not a rock. Can I use this?
No! It's dirty.
What? Smelly dirt. Ha! Paa. And there's another spider and I will kill you. Hey, spider, stupid spider. Smell. And the smell of spider web behind your back, camera girl.
Sige, pakita ko yung sa papa mo.
I-post ko daw sa YouTube.
Tapos ano, sa bahay, you wash all the clothes, even the clothes of your papa.
And no. And no. And no. I saw that's a butterfly.
Sige na.
And you leave this instant!
Veronica la bandera.
Na 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 na!
La bandera.
Oh, magbasa-basa ka!
Veronica la bandera.
Red, Maya Bandera, big, big, grandma! Would you shut up there? I am doing my chores!
Veronica la bandera.
So annoying. You place there in YouTube. Annoying orange and her wife is annoying Anila.
La bandera si Veronica. Bagay sa likod.
Yung nakita ko si grandma dito. Ha? Naglaba din ako na nasa servant. La bandera si Anlet. Grandma, tulungan ako dito!
Sampayin mo na yung bra. Sampayin mo na yung bra.
Ha?
Sampayin mo na yung bra.
Ah!
Wak na kita dyan. Come up right back. You get out.
Maligo na lagi ako
As
dito.
if that's your laba is reliable. They're gonna wash it again, Titi. Tulungan mo siya, magtusaksan mo na.
Tapos na yan?
Happy birthday!
So can we hear a few messages or wish from mommy? Alright? Okay, let's have... Ayan. Yes, sir. Really? Your wish for Veronica?
I'd like to thank everybody for sharing this moment with us. My wife, we're grateful to you for making Veronica happy and breaking bread with us tonight. I hope that you'll be still around, inshallah, really next year. Alam mo, si Veronica is my youngest and she is my favorite. Wala na silang babae. Dalawang lalaki. Sabi niya sa akin nung last week, sabi niya, yung papa, may dream. So I'd also be like, Mama, yan na dapat. So, yung dream is my nightmare. Yan, yung patay pa yun. Okay, and
Thank you, everybody.
Simula na naman. Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Eto na naman tayo bago simula. Huminga ng malalim, alisin ang kaba. Tapos na ang kahapon, pwede na yan tatapon. Huwag lang ang mga araw, dapat yan ang ibaon. Katulong na sa panibagong hamon. May paparating na bagong araw. Pwede kang lamunin o pwede mong sabayan. Yung araw na kahapon, pwede kanyang gabayan. Kung ako sa'yo, tumayo ka na dyan. Huwag ka namang mahuli, kami ay sundan patungo sa liwanag, abuti ng tala. Pagkatapos pakita sa mundo, puso nagbabaga. Upang lahat ay mamulat sa aking susulat. Parinig sa lahat ang aking ulat. Huwag mabahala, ako ang bahala. Kasangga natin si Bathala. Walang imposible, sige lang sige. Abot mo ang mundo, malapit malayo. Sama-sama tayo, hanggang sa dulo. Ano man ang pagsubok, isusuko. Alam kong kaya mo, sige lang sige, sige lang sige. Walang imposible. Nagniningning ang pangarap ng iyong pusong humihiling. Nakalimutan ng kahapon, sana'y dinggin. Sigaw na
Live right now, waiting for Mayor Duterte. Oh, President na pala. President-elect. The cabinet secretaries. And of course, si Danjig. Hi, Danjig. Ganda live na eh. Wala siya. Share there. Huh? Oh, yeah. Hindi ko issues then. Private sector. Why you think you're writing one? Oh, sir. Private sector naman ako ah. Vale, sir. Hindi ako sanay ng yung pump, ano? Tsaka bawal ko sa dati, tapos sa lahat, kaya dito na tayo sa airport. Ngayon dito na lahat kasi would have preferred. MD lang ah. How much is your fire? Hi, Veronica. Can you say hi to the people na watching live meron sa Magstorya? Say hi.
Ari ko mo sa
Sandy, nasut. Sir, we're live right now. Hi, the Presidential Assistant for Visayas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, unsa may mong kuha? So guys, that ends our kuan live for now. Tune in, mo cover pa mi.
And sa mga aircraft.
Oh, end na to sa aircraft oh. Yung sakyan na.
Cinematic na yun. Ano na yun? Si Tago.
Oh, tago. And bye.